Under the framework of JPEPA, we will promote economic cooperation based on your needs, the private sector's needs, as well as economic cooperation focused on infrastructure and human resource development, which you need, and the improvement of business and investment environment. We will base our economic cooperation on these matters with a view to actualizing the potential of your private sector investment. Japanese investors should maximize the economic opportunities offered by JPEPA. I have mentioned earlier some of the trade opportunities. I have mentioned earlier some of the service opportunities that you will be needing from Filipino service providers. As far as investment is concerned, I dare say we offer one of the best values for investment in our region, from business process outsourcing, tourism, energy, and technology, to mining, biofuels, and infrastructure. And to add to this, especially for Japanese investors, Japanese language schools can even be established in the Philippines to shorten the training period for nurses and caregivers prior to their assignment in Japan. As far as a general environment of the Philippines is concerned, no nation is isolated from the impact of the global crisis. But the Philippines is blessed to be among those faring better than others. In 2007, before the crisis, Philippine GNP grew 8%. In 2008, when two-thirds of the world went into recession, Philippine GNP still grew at 6.1%. In the first quarter of this year, our GNP still grew at 4.4%. This is because we took the bitter pill of economic reform years ago. We raised revenues at great political cost. In the Senate, that was championed by our now head of the National Economic Development Authority, Ralph Recto, and in the House of Representatives, many of those who are here present today. As I said, we have two deputy speakers, Villarosa and Singson. We have our Deputy Majority Leader Gonzales, and several other congressmen and congresswomen who are here today. They worked very hard to raise those revenues, and we were able to invest these new revenues heavily in long overdue physical and human infrastructure, which helped to expand our domestic demand, aside from making investment more convenient. And this increase in domestic demand reduced our reliance on exports to 28.5% of GDP today from 49% before my administration in year 2000. Indeed, one of the attractions of investing in the Philippines is our large domestic market. Another large attraction is our English-speaking, hard-working, proficient, easily trainable workforce. Our environment is business-friendly. We have 68 economic zones and information technology parks which offer incentives and ease of doing business. We have made progress in combating corruption that puts additional costs in doing business. The 2009 Asian Corruption Survey conducted by the Hong Kong-based political and economic risk consultancy shows improvement in our scores, reaffirming our government's commitment to win the fight against corruption through a platform of good governance. Our reforms are succeeding in attracting more investment. They will also ensure that our priority industries, which I mentioned to you earlier, continue to grow as drivers of our growth. Major investments by various international companies, including Toshiba, Marubeni and Tokyo Electric, Toyota, Sumitomo, Mitsubishi UFJ, just to mention a few, validate our strategy. Companies which are willing to take risks in times of economic uncertainty, such as what we have now, will be the first ones to tap new opportunities and reap the windfall once the global economy rebounds. And in our conversation earlier with the chairman, he was talking about the consensus that is arising now, that is emerging now among the business sector and even in the financial sector, that Japan has probably already hit the bottom and is now beginning its slow rise to normalcy. And so as we prepare for that rebound that we all know will come, let me say to the Japanese business community, for growth even through the global crisis, invest in the Philippines, trade with the Philippines. Thank you.